making money online has become more accessible than ever before, with countless options available to individuals from all walks of life. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or hoping to build a full-time online business, the internet offers a wealth of opportunities. However, with so many choices, it can be difficult to distinguish between legitimate methods and those that are less reliable or even outright scams. In this guide, we'll explore 10 legitimate ways to make money online, each with its own unique benefits, requirements, and potential for growth. By understanding what's possible and how to get started, you can take control of your financial future and tap into the global digital economy. The first proven method is freelancing. Freelancing has exploded in popularity over the last decade, thanks to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. As a freelancer, you can offer your skills and expertise to clients around the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, translator, or marketing consultant, there is a demand for your services. Getting started typically involves creating a compelling profile, showcasing your portfolio, and bidding on projects that match your skill set. Over time, as you accumulate positive reviews and build relationships with clients, you can charge higher rates and even turn freelancing into a full-time career. The flexibility is unparalleled. You get to choose the projects you work on, set your own schedule, and control your workload. While competition can be fierce, those who continually improve their skills and deliver high-quality work can carve out a profitable niche for themselves. The second legitimate way to earn online is through teaching or tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can share your knowledge with others and get paid for it. Online education platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on a wide variety of topics. Alternatively, if you prefer live interaction, you can become an online tutor with services like VIP Kid, Tutor.com, or Chegg Tutors. English language tutoring is particularly popular, with people around the world eager to improve their skills. To succeed as an online teacher or tutor, focus on a subject you know well, create clear and engaging lessons, and be responsive to student feedback. Over time, as your reputation grows, you can attract more students and increase your rates. This field is especially appealing for those who enjoy helping others learn and want to make a lasting impact. The third method is selling products through e-commerce. You don't need to own a brick-and-mortar store to start selling products. Online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy make it easy to reach customers worldwide. You can sell physical products, whether they're handmade crafts, vintage items, or products sourced from suppliers. Dropshipping is another e-commerce model that allows you to sell goods without holding inventory. In this arrangement, when someone purchases an item from your online store, a third-party supplier ships it directly to the customer. This reduces your upfront costs and risk, making it a popular choice for new entrepreneurs. However, success in e-commerce requires careful product selection, effective marketing, and excellent customer service. Building a recognizable brand and optimizing your online store for conversions will help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Fourth on the list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services created by others and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique referral link. Major companies like Amazon, ShareASale, and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs that you can join for free. To be successful, choose products that align with your interests and that provide value to your audience. You can promote these products through a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media accounts. The key to long-term success in affiliate marketing is building trust with your audience. Recommend only products you believe in and provide honest, helpful reviews. While it may take time to build a following, affiliate marketing can generate passive income once your content gains traction. The fifth legitimate way to make money online is content creation. The digital world thrives on content, and creators are rewarded for producing engaging, informative, or entertaining material. Platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer creators the chance to monetize their content through advertising, brand sponsorships, fan donations, and merchandise sales. Blogging remains a powerful option as well, with monetization opportunities through ad networks, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. The most successful content creators are those who find their unique voice, provide value to their audience, and remain consistent in their output. With patience and persistence, content creation can evolve from a hobby into a lucrative career, offering creative freedom and the potential for global reach. Next, let's discuss remote work and virtual assistants, which is our sixth method. Many companies now hire remote workers for positions that can be performed entirely online. Virtual assistants are in high demand, providing administrative support, managing emails, scheduling appointments, conducting research, and handling social media for busy entrepreneurs and businesses. Websites like remote.go, FlexJobs, and Virtual Vocations list legitimate remote job openings in various industries. Becoming a virtual assistant requires organizational skills, reliability, and the ability to communicate effectively. The flexibility and variety of tasks make this an appealing choice for those who enjoy helping others run their businesses more efficiently. The seventh way to earn money online is by participating in online surveys and market research. Companies are eager to gather consumer opinions on products and services, and they're willing to pay for your feedback. Platforms such as Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Pinecone Research allow users to complete surveys, watch videos, test products, and even play games in exchange for cash or gift cards. While this method won't make you rich, it can be a convenient way to earn extra spending money in your spare time. The key is to sign up with reputable survey sites and to be wary of any platform that asks for an upfront fee or promises unrealistic earnings. The eighth legitimate online income source is investing and trading. With the rise of user-friendly investment platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Coinbase, individuals can buy stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and other assets from the comfort of their home. While investing carries risk and requires research, it also offers the potential for long-term wealth generation. Many platforms offer educational resources to help beginners learn the basics of investing and develop sound strategies. For those interested in a more active approach, day trading and swing trading are options, though they require a deep understanding of the markets and a willingness to tolerate risk. It's important to start small, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and seek guidance from reputable sources. The ninth avenue for online income is through writing and self-publishing. If you have a passion for storytelling or expertise in a particular area, writing ebooks or guides can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allow authors to publish and sell their work to a global audience with minimal upfront costs. You can write fiction, nonfiction, how-to guides, or even children's books. In addition to ebooks, freelance writing for blogs, magazines, and online publications remains in high demand. Building a portfolio of published work can open doors to higher-paying writing gigs and establish you as an authority in your niche. Persistence, quality, and marketing are key factors in building a successful writing career online. Finally, the 10th legitimate way to make money online is through offering digital products and services. As more people move their lives and businesses online, the demand for digital solutions has skyrocketed. You can create and sell digital products such as printables, templates, software, apps, photography, music, or design assets on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Digital products have the advantage of being infinitely scalable. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without the need for inventory or shipping logistics. In addition, offering digital services like web design, search engine optimization, or online coaching can attract clients who need specialized expertise. The ability to work from anywhere and reach a global customer base makes this an attractive option for creative and tech-savvy individuals. Now that we've outlined these 10 legitimate ways to make money online, let's discuss some practical steps you can take to get started. First and foremost, identify your strengths, interests, and available time. Not every method will suit everyone. Some require specific skills, while others are more accessible to beginners. Take inventory of what you enjoy doing, what you're good at, and how much effort you're willing to invest. Next, conduct thorough research, read reviews, join online communities, and seek out reputable platforms in your chosen field. Beware of scams. Legitimate opportunities will never ask for large upfront payments, personal banking information, or promise overnight riches. Trust your instincts, and if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Once you've chosen a path, start small and set realistic goals. For example, if you want to start freelancing, take on a few small projects to build your portfolio. If you're interested in e-commerce, test the market with a handful of products before scaling up. Consistency is key. Success rarely happens overnight, and sustained effort will yield the best results. Building an online income also requires learning and adaptation. The digital landscape evolves rapidly, so stay up to date with trends, technologies, and best practices in your field. Invest in your skills through online courses, books, or mentorship. The more value you can offer, the more likely you are to succeed. Networking is another crucial component. Connect with others in your chosen niche, join online forums, and participate in communities relevant to your field. Collaboration, feedback, and support from like-minded individuals can accelerate your growth and open up new opportunities. Finally, treat your online endeavors with professionalism. Whether you're freelancing, running an e-commerce store, or creating content, reliability and integrity will set you apart. Respond promptly to clients and customers, meet deadlines, and deliver on your promises. Building a reputation for quality and trustworthiness is the foundation of long-term success. Making money online is not just for tech experts or influencers with millions of followers. With determination, the right strategy, and a willingness to learn, anyone can tap into the digital economy and create new income streams. Whether you choose freelancing, tutoring, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, content creation, remote work, surveys, investing, writing, or digital products, remember that the most important ingredient is persistence. As you embark on your journey to make money online, set clear goals and measure your progress. Celebrate your successes, learn from your setbacks, and never stop exploring new opportunities. The online world is vast, and the potential is limited only by your imagination and effort. Start today, and you may find that making money online is not just a possibility. It's a path to greater freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment in your life.